Hello dears! Welcome to my channel! Enjoy watching and don't forget to subscribe! Hello loves! Welcome back to my channel. So it's Kim here, and in today's video guys, I will be doing a tag video. Okay, so I was tagged by Sis Katie. Her channel is Katelicious, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so I was tagged by her, and I think there are 21 questions for this tag. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so bibilisan lang natin ng konti dahil yung lighting ko is naubusan na ng battery. Okay, so by the way, I created this look a while ago. So sayang yung makeup, so I decided to do this tag na din. So yon, and I just wanna share with you guys yung eyelashes, fake eyelashes na gamit ko ngayon is from Daiso, and super ganda niya, kita nyo. And then yung, alam mo yung parang wala ka ring suot na fake eyelashes, so super ganda. Okay, so let's start na. So by the way, hindi maka-start. If may naririnig kayong mga nursery rhymes, it's my baby, okay? So pasensya doon, okay? Okay, so ayan. So the first question is, when is your birthday? My birthday is May 7. Then what are 3 of your favorite colors? I just have 2 favorite colors, pero ang top 3 ko is gray. First is yung green, any touch of green. Nakita niyo naman sa aking background. And then second is pink, any touch of pink then. And I think I would choose purple as my number 3. Okay, so what are your 3 favorite quotes? Hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa quotes, pero I do have one. Lagi kong sinasabi lagi sa ano ko, ang tawag dito, lagi kong sinasabi dun sa, minsan, nung high school pa nung ano ko ng autograph is, give your smile to everyone, but give your heart to only one. Madun yun. So yun lang, hindi kasi ako mahilig sa quotes. And impromptu to ha, hindi ko pinag-isipan yung okay, so first, are you addicted to YouTube? I think so. Super nakaka-addict siya, lalo na yung paggawa ng video, guys. And kasi ang dami mong nagiging na friends. And yung parang, tawag dito, basta ang saya-saya pag nakagawa ka ng film, kapag nakapanood ka ng mga vlog. Lalo na ako na lagi lang naman ako nasa bahay because I'm a mother. So there. So next question is, what are 3 of your favorite shows on TV or YouTube or both? So actually minsan hindi na ako nanonood ng TV, puro YouTube ako. Nanonood ako ng vlogs, makeup tutorials, and then reviews. So yun. Kasi sa nanonood ko ng ganun, ang dami ko na din natutunan. And yun, pinakamahilig ako sa vlogs. Pagka manonood naman ako ng TV sa habang pinapanood ko yung Tubig at Langis, yung ang tawag dito, Dolce Amor sa Gabi, TBB, ayun. And then, number 6, what are 3 qualities you like in a best friend? I don't have a best friend right now, but if magkaka-best friend ako, syempre I want it to be honest. Gusto ko yung sinasabi na ano, uy, ang pangit ng ganito mo, ano ba naman yan, ganyan. Hindi yung puro maganda. And then yun, yung parang kalog, yun, gusto ko kalog, masaya kasamang madaldal kasi super madaldal ako. And then trustworthy, syempre. And then next question, do you like your name? Yes, I super love my name because it's super unique. It's Mazaya Aya. Okay, so if you have the choice to pick your own name, what would it fashion? If you could If you have the choice to pick your own name, what will it be? Hindi ko napapalitan yung name ko. I'm contented to what I have. I'm contented to what my parents gave me. Kasi, maganda naman yung name ko, diba? Mazaya Aya. Okay, so yun. Next question is, what is your fantasy dream? I want to be a Disney princess. And then, do you wear makeup? No. Ito na po, diba? I wear makeup. I do love makeups. Parang nawawala yung stress ko kapag nagme-makeup ako. Nabuboost yung confidence ko kapag nagme-makeup ako. Although, kaya ko din namang walang makeup. Pero yun nga, iba yung dating, iba yung ano kapag naka-makeup ka. Alam mo yung confidence mo, yung ano mo. Iba. So, yon. If you could write a book, what would the title be and what would it be about? Hirap na to, ah. Book. I think it's about motherhood or how to be a work-at-home mom. You know, yung full-time mom ka at the same time, you're working at home, home-based jobs. Yun yung gusto kong gawing book kasi I know na makakatulong yan sa maraming mother like me na gustong tumulong sa husband nila sa mga expenses pero yung iba hindi magawa kasi walang enough information, yung mga ganun. So there. What makes you cry? Ang dami. Kasi mabungis-ngis akong tao pero super babaw ng luha ko. Alam niyo yung pag umiyak ako, ang hirap tumigil ng basta ang hirap ko patigilin pag umiyak ako. Nagugutom na ako. Okay, so what makes you angry? Yung mga kapag okay, so yung mga kapag nagsisinungaling sa akin or yung malalaman ko pag kaharap ako, okay, oh my god, pumupunta na po yung baby ko, and then kapag kaharap ko, okay, tapos pagtalikod ko is, alam mo yung backfighter, yun yung nakakagalit sa akin. So, there. And then, next one is, what makes you happy? Ay, nako guys, super babaw lang ng happiness ko. Okay, ayan na po, ang aking future vlogger. So, yun, super babaw na kaligayahan ko. Alam nyo, bibigyan na lang ako ng food. Super happy ko na. And, alam mo yung konting mga bagay na binibigay sa akin is super natatouch na ako. Super ansaya-saya ko na. And, syempre, ang pinaka nakakapagpasaya sa akin is this baby, my husband, my family. So, yun. What is fangirling? Fangirling. Oh my God, kapag nakikita ko si Antlot sa tawag dito, sa YouTube, hindi pa yun sa personal, nag-fangirling na ako. Pag nakikita ko yung mga pictures niya sa Instagram, sa ano, Diyos ko, gano'n ang fangirling. I don't know the exact meaning, yung talagang parang sa dictionary ha, pero yun yung para sa akin. What are your 3 favorite snacks? Naku po, ang dami kong favorite. But I do like yung mga spicy, basta anything spicy, sweet, yung mga ganyan. What are your 3 favorite foods? Noodles. Noodles, and then noodles, and then what else? Chocolates, oatmeal. Okay, so yun, bumaba na yung baby ko. Okay, so where are we? So what are your 3 favorite drinks? What are your 3 favorite drinks? Tawag dito, Sarsi, water, and also iced tea. Then can you tell us a little about yourself? I do have 10 random facts about me, guys, and I also have other tags, so pwede nyo yung panoorin para mas makilala nyo ako. So, pero I'm a mother of a 2 years and 6 months girl, baby girl. Okay, so what are 10 random facts about you? Yes, I do have this 10 random facts about me. I think 11 nga yun eh. So, yun. Kindly check that, guys. And the last question is, what are your 3 fun things to do? Eating, watching vlogs, and then watching makeup tutorials. There. Super fun. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this tag video. Ang tatag ko dito sa mga videos na to is kayo guys na mga hindi pa nakakagawa ng tags na ganito. I will be putting all the questions in the description box, so kindly check it guys. So yon. So see you guys on my next video and keep smiling. Bye! I love you!